Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and you will definitely know this old girl. Well, it is actually quite a sad day because she is now going up for sale. Now anybody that's seen my previous videos on this car, you will know that it belongs to my buddy Andy, and she has had a lot of work done to her over the past few years. Now, she is a Chevrolet Stylemaster, obviously in military drab green, staff car. She is the 4.2, I believe, straight six. Runs and drives nicely. We just had an outing in her not too long back, and quite a fun day. Okay, so she did have a disc brake conversion done, and that was a kit that I actually sourced in the US and brought back with me. Basically it just gives her, a lot more competence in modern day traffic and everything. However, the kit itself, it did not actually modify anything on the vehicle, and the original front discs, the original front drums and all the hardware and everything will be included with the car. So if you want to put it back to the original drum brakes, that is there. So the only downside with the disc brake conversion was that it was only available in a 5-stud, whereas this is normally a 6-stud wheel pattern on this. However, it does have two brand new steel 5-stud wheels for the front. It has a 5-stud spare, but it also has the original 6-stud wheels and a 6-stud spare, along with the actual spares that will come with it. These are the additional parts that come along with the Chevy. There's the original number plates, the original hubcaps, a couple of spare original wheels, and we've got the full front brake setup, the drum brakes. There's also a spare master cylinder, although it has got a brand new one in the car. That one there had been rebuilt around about 2018 or 2019. So it is still a good master cylinder, but it is a spare anyway. These are all included. Other things, like I said, the braking system, it is brand new all the way through. All new pipes, new master cylinder, reconditioned slave cylinders in the rear, of course new discs and calipers up front, new flexible lines, new metal brake lines. I mean, everything is front to back complete. Overall, it's just a nice old thing, and it's just a nice condition. She isn't a concourse or anything like that, but very, very usable. All the seats are in nice condition. There's no rips or tears or anything like that in her. She's all nice and dry. She has been stored inside, so she's she's never been out in the weather or anything like that. Frame and everything's nice and solid. Bodywork, it's all in really nice condition. She was a little bit dirty. She was washed, but we've had just a really heavy rain shower a little while back, so British weather, what can I say? But yeah, she did have let's say new plugs, plug leads and everything back during COVID, which is what about 18 months ago, give or take. She's also had a new ignition coil, I'm not sure, I'd have to check, but I think she had a battery about a year ago. Yeah, yeah, I mean, it's all pretty much original except for the brake conversion. Okay, where's this at? But yeah, I mean, overall, personally, I'll be sad to see this one go. This is a one that if I didn't have my own projects sitting there, this would be coming home with me. I do like this car. I've done a lot of work on it over the past few years. I've driven it quite a few times, and yeah. So the only real issue I would say there is with this car right now is that the actual keys have been lost. Now she does start on a switch, and but we know the keys are here somewhere, but they've gotten put down and we just cannot find them. But like I say, she's been rigged to start on a switch, so she does start up and drive. It does mean, however, that the doors, etc., can't be locked. But otherwise, that is the only real issue. Now, reproduction locks are available, and the intention had been next time I'm in the US I was going to source a new set of locks for her, but obviously, unfortunately, she's had to go up for sale before I've had the opportunity to do that. Yeah, which is quite sad. Now, she is a manual transmission. Let me just slip in behind the wheel here. She is manual, 3-speed column shift. What else? Obviously, car of this age, no electric windows or anything like that, but all the actual little side vent windows and everything, they all work really well. Obviously, door windows and everything wind down. Same passenger side, little vent windows. Well, everything works as it should. I sound like I'm struggling. I've actually injured my back, so leaning over there is not exactly easy. But yeah, right at the moment, this is the switch that she is on, and it is a foot starter. So and there you go. I mean, right on the button. Yeah, it's a cold start this morning. It's about what is it, about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, whatever that is in Celsius, and I mean, she's straight off there. So yeah, I'll put Andy's phone number in this video, so if you are interested, then give him a call. If you have any questions, you can either message me, preferably I'll also put a link to the marketplace ad, so if you want to ask any questions, just message me on Facebook rather than asking questions on this video, because I don't always see this. I only check this once a week. So, but also UK shipping is available. That will be at extra cost, but so if you were interested and you wanted it delivered, then that can be arranged. But yeah, otherwise viewing is available. relatively flexible, so if you want to come during the week, we can maybe sort something out about that. Well, there she is. Any questions, just text Andy on the number on screen or message me over on Marketplace. So take care, have a good one.